I'm going to select the u to be x, and I'm going to select my v dash to be the square root of x plus 1, or x plus 1 to the power of a half. Differentiating x, I get 1. Now integrating the x plus 1 to the power of a half, I'm going to add 1 to the power, so the half will become 3 over 2. And then I'm going to divide by the new power. Dividing by 3 over 2 is the same thing as timesing by 2/3. Now applying the by parts formula. So u times v minus the integral of u dash times v. Now we can integrate that 2/3 x plus 1 to the power of 3 over 2. So I'm going to add 1 to the power. So the 3 over 2 is going to become 5 over 2. And then dividing by the new power, so dividing by 5 over 2 is the same thing as timesing by 2/5. The 2/5 times the 2/3 will be 4 out of 15. And don't forget your plus C. So that's the answer to part D. Part E. I'm first going to rewrite this by moving the e to the power x, so the e to the power 3x to the top to be a negative power. And now I'm going to select the u as the x function and the v dash as the e to the minus 3x. Differentiating x, I get 1. Integrating e to the minus 3x, I'll get e to the minus 3x divided by the minus 3 because of the reverse chain rule. So dividing by minus 3 is the same thing as timesing by minus 1/3. Now applying the by parts formula, u times v minus the integral of u dash times v. Now, just to tidy this up a little bit, because I can see I've got a double negative there, so I can simplify here before I do any more integration. And now to actually do that integral, the exponential will integrate to be the exponential, but I need to remember to divide by the minus 3 because of the reverse chain rule. And so my 1/3 divided by minus 3 is going to become minus 1/9. And don't forget your plus C. Question F. I'm going to let u be the x function and v dash be the sec squared. Differentiating x, I get 1. Integrating sec squared, the integral of sec squared is tan. check that out on your formula sheet, but hopefully you remember that sec squared integrates to be tan, because we know that tan differentiates to be sec squared. Now applying the by parts formula, so u times v minus the integral of u dash times v. Now we can integrate the tan x there, and again you can check this out on your formula sheet. Tan x is going to integrate to be ln sec. Then don't forget the plus c as well.